Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is the Coca-cola Chiller. Customers call me it's not cooling, and we have come to check what is the reason it's not cooling properly. It's not enough when they keep flour very fast spoil. So dear viewers, we have checked. We found there is become ice inside. So you have to remove the machine from inside. There is lock left and right to remove this. We have to remove this connector because of there is a cable connector we have to remove. So there is lock. Just unlock the lock, then pull it, very easy. So you will see there is ice inside, also become ice. That's why air cannot rotate, the cooling cannot rotate. That's the reason it's not cooling. See, inside lot of ice has been stuck. There is the reason air cannot rotate. There has been ice, so we have to clean the ice at first, then we'll clean the condenser also in the same time for super cooling. It has taken around 1 to 2 hours to clean and remove everything. Still there is ice. We are removing the all the ice. So dear viewers, finally we have removed and we have cleaned the condenser. So we fixed it back. So dear viewers, so finally we'll install this digital thermostat. So never will be ice in the future. It's very good servicing. So this is the spoil. This is the temperature spoil. Cannot unable to control temperature. That's why there has been ice. So we'll fix their new temperature controller. So after a few hours, dear viewers, you can see they put all the flour. After a few hours, we have come back to check finally. So now its temperature is 2 degree Celsius and customer is very happy. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.